Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2001 to 2004 Sequoia. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard. Step 2. Lift your vehicle to a comfortable working height. Support your transmission and unbolt the mount from your crossmember. Step 3. Remove the 4 mounting bolts that held the crossmember. If the bolts do not need to be cut to be removed, use a 17mm socket to remove them. If they are rounded off or rusted in place, use a cutting tool to remove them. Then, remove the factory crossmember. Step 4. With a grind wheel, clean up the mounts of any rust and debris left behind, especially around the bolt holes, to ensure a precise fit. Step 5. Hold the replacement crossmember up to the 2 mounts where your factory crossmember was installed. You can use a jack to hold your part in place. Once in place, install all 4 M10 steel flange screws with a 15mm socket and their corresponding M10 nylon flange lock nuts with a 14mm socket and ensure they are tightened down. Step 6. Paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Bolt your transmission back to your crossmember, then lower your vehicle back down. Then you're done.